Good morning, y'all. It's my birthday. How is it?
It's pretty good. It's strong too. We in a liquor store after this though.
Looks good.
It is good. Did you try it?
No, I'm about to.
Baby girl told me, hey. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Listen. Yeah, that's a
That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Dinner show.
Can you put it right here? Or tighter?
A little bit tighter.
Right there?
Yeah.
Can I get your wristband?
No. Thank you, baby. Hello. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, we can play Jenga. Oh, the fireplace. Look at that. How cool. Woo! Wow. You can see through. Wow. Still in the water?
Oh yeah, it's warm.
It's warm?
Yeah, it's warm. Alright, let's go.
I got the shack. Apple shack? Okay. Shuffleboarding.
Apple shack.
Wow. Alright. Oh boy. That's a polar bear, babe.
It's a career. Ho, ho, ho.
Hey, y'all. Okay.
Russian is very delicious. Use some peppermint rum shot in there, some cologne in there, some vodka. Shake it up. Very good. Chocolate, raspberry, martini, also very delicious. Chocolate. The lady up front, she sent us a care package.
Really?
Yeah, come on. That's what's up.
Oh my goodness. My birthday's already so amazing and it's not even today.
Hey. Free mimosa. Looking out.
Yes, definitely gonna be drinking one in the morning.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Help us.
My ear.
They really streaming my music. I give bitches the kind they fuck around and lose it now. Nothing visible. Yeah. High heels on my tippies. Don't wanna play with big guns and a lot of zip ties. We gon' turn and kill. Deep in the spot. A nigga tell now.
Good morning, y'all. It's my birthday. I'm trying to talk quiet because he's asleep right there. But I just want to show you guys this beautiful view this morning on this beautiful day. I can't be more ecstatic with how gorgeous this looks on my birthday, and I could literally cry because I'm so thankful for another year of life. I'm just so thankful. I'm blessed. Let me stop, but look, I just want to show you guys because it's so pretty. Like, we have a couple activities planned I know we want to go to the gym this morning, eat breakfast. I got this super special surprise at my front door. The hotel gifted me some mimosas for my birthday, so that was super sweet. We're going to a museum today, the Museum of Illusions, so I can take pictures, of course. And then we will be eating at this place called Lost and Found, and it's super good, has super good drinks, and then we're heading back home. So super excited to get this day started, and I'm just so thankful to be able to do this and just enjoy my birthday the way I want it. He's knocked out over there, of course. It was nice to watch the sunrise. I've never done that. I'm an early bird now that we have our son. He's not here with us, but I got up and I seen this beautiful sunrise, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get up and watch it. So it's probably like going on 7 right now, but let's get this day started. I always make a tea, and I got my on-the-go kit, and this one is for the hubs. Oh my goodness, don't that look so good?
Yeah, it look great. Let me get that up off you, ma'am.
There you go, sweetie. Pretty good.
Blessing.
Yeah.
Mixed with the mouthwash taste.
Yuck. He never usually does cardio, but this is so cute. Hey. What you doing?
Enjoying the view. I think I fixed the car on there. Fan. I had to cut my fan on, you know, a little toasty over there. Half an hour.
Look at the train. Look at the train. Oh my gosh. In the middle of the street.
That shit will hit you.
Then you got the cops, bruh.
Yeah, I think.
The Minute Maid Park. Look, y'all, we just went up here and on our floor, and look, it's shaped in Texas. This is the best hotel. For real. Guys, so we just got back to the room.
Okay, good workout.
Just got that good working, yeah. We're about to get ready, so I'm about to have a full different transformation going on. He's about to have a full transformation going on. We're about to find breakfast and
Mimosa.
stay tuned for the fits and the rest of the day.
An alarm has been reported. Please prepare to evacuate by going to the exit stair door. If there is any evidence of fire, evacuate the floor using the exit stairs to a safe area.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Sorry about. It's just practice. These are bomb. Thank you, baby.
Blue light flashing, doors to it. All right, appreciate it. All right.
I just got it. So we just made it to the Galleria. That's where the museum is at. I love the Galleria. Oh, ice skating. Bro, it's a Tuesday. It should not be this packed. Shouldn't these kids be at school? Mind you, I forgot that this was this big. I'm not gonna lie. I am an airy whore, okay? And we're in here and it's so cute. Oh my goodness. So comfy.
Picture that you
Hold on, stay there. I see. Oh, that's trippy.
Bro, what the That's crazy. I thought it was a table full of chairs.
Bro, that's crazy. Living my dream. I'm taller than you. It makes me
No, you can't see that.
I don't get it. Bruh. Look at my legs. Oh my gosh, babe, look.
Bro, that's trippy.
Very.
Door's gonna close behind you, and whenever you're ready to leave, push to open. Just remember, this one is your door. There's a little silver thing down here to help.
Oh, okay.
Bro. There's elves everywhere. Wow.
What the hell was that? You're a goofy, bro.
Yeah. What the heck? Okay, that's it.
I don't know about this one.
The chair is upstairs.
Stand on the photo.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh no, this is too much. This is too much. It feels like we're burning.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Bro, no.
No, oh, fuck the smell.
Very good. Are you okay? Bro, I'm over here crying. Are you okay? Are you okay? Bro. What is going on? Okay. Whoa. No, that's you. Whoa.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh my gosh.
Hold on, I can do better. Hold on. Keep going. Bro, what the heck?
I almost tripped. far out. Whoa. Bruh. Bruh.
Just made it to this place. I don't know.
The mount, right?
The mount, yeah, the mount. It's nice to take pictures. Wow, look at that.
What are we doing here?
Oh, this is the Continental. What the?
Wow.
We was going to the
Okay.
same place. So we're doing a photo shoot for her birthday, and just so we have some pictures. It's this nice park, with like nice views and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Dope.
Beautiful. Are you sure? So we just got done taking pictures and somebody hit the car. You wanna see this? It's crazy. Bro. And just ran off, man. That's crazy. Dented it up, man. You know what's crazy? I got that in the video, his thing going off. And yep, sure enough.
Yeah, hurry this up.
Alright. I'm sorry.
It's not a joke.
I'm not making it a
Look at
joke.
my shit. What the fuck?
Babe. Everything came out good for y'all? Yeah. You want another drink?
Yeah. Can I get the menu back? And y'all got alcohol?
Yes, you did. I already got my
Sauces,
gun.
I think that goes to your steak.
My bun cake. Yay. And this is how you end the night.